Alright guys, so we're gonna start working on this. I'm gonna pull the side skirts off, and then we're piping off the engine, which will be this right here. We'll pull that over there. I'll start to pull a couple other things and get it ready to pull out. Alright, first thing we did was put it up, pulled the bottom plastic, drained all the fluids, pulled the radiator out. Bobby pulled that one out, and that was pretty quick. Now we took the alternator off the middle. He's gonna pull the AC compressor to move it off to the side. I just moved the the power steering pump. We took the top piping off, and I'm hoping we can pull this engine out tonight.
So I'm out here working on the Subaru.
No, she's not. My boo getting dirty. She sure is. She's been working all day. My sister's getting dirty.
What are we doing here today, guys?
Pulling the engine out of this CD.
What are you doing with the muffler?
That's, gonna take it off.
What are you doing here?
I'm just watching him do all the work.
Why do you have black on your face?
I don't know. I can't talk about that around the work.
How long do you think this will take you?
Pull it off?
Yep.
I'm not gonna get it all done today. But I'm basically pretty much done.
So what's your plans?
For this?
Yes, for the car.
I ain't sure.
What kind of engine are you going to put in it?
Probably a stage 2 IGA built block.
You gotta talk a little louder for the viewers.
Stage 2 IGA built block.
Okay. Are you going to help, or are you just going to stand around?
Probably stand around.
Oh!
Walmart shoes. Man? No man, Walmart. I wouldn't even go back.
What do you think about the Subaru?
There's no bueno.
No? You don't like it? No? Too much work?
Ahora que está haciendo Chávez. ¿Qué estás haciendo? No, pues desde que me quedé dormido, estás con este.
Está huevo, ¿no?
Mira.
Eduardo es mobile mechanic. Está huevo, ¿no?
¿Qué estás haciendo, cabrón? Luego que apagar la máquina.
And he don't understand not one word they're saying.
That's like the easiest engine I've ever pulled. Yeah, that's my first one pulling. This is my second one. That's my second engine. Actually, third. I've done 3 engines.
The heart of the car. What is that?
That was decent, even though we missed it.
What's it called? Engine.